welcome back guys to my channel. So it's still MOSHEH TV here again. So today I want to go and give you guys the latest update concerning the ongoing reconstruction or repainting repairing of the drainage system happening along that relief market in Onitsha. Just like yesterday, I gave you guys the update concerning the repainting happening within Onitsha and its environment. So today let's see the latest update concerning this particular drainage system. So the last time I gave you guys the updates about this area, work has not fully commenced. What was there is that the whole materials has been brought. Every materials is there. The last time I gave you guys update. So today the work has fully commenced. They have started the work. Even what I noticed when I visited is that some work has already been done inside the drainage system, so remaining some. So and what I'm seeing there is that very soon the whole work will be completed and everything will be working properly. So but before we get to the particular spot where the repairing is happening, let me also chip in something concerning the video I posted yesterday. So for those who get confused, this drainage system you are currently watching is the same drainage system they are repairing down there. It's the same drainage system, and this road will link you to the Owerri road side. So we are currently heading down where the repairing is happening. So this is the view of this angle. As you can see in the video, a lot of places in Onitsha need thorough cleaning, need sweeping. I know it's not a day job, it's not something that can be said and the next minute is done, but gradually we will get there. And before that, let me chip in this thing. I saw some comments on my comment section concerning the video I posted yesterday, where somebody said I should keep quiet. Actually, he insulted me and said that the sweeping will commence after the painting. And the thing, like, it was funny though. The comment was funny to me, because how can you say that sweeping will happen after the painting? Like, who does that? You will come back next time and also tell me that the repairing of the dilapidated areas will commence after the painting. Then after the repairing, you repaint it again, or what? I don't understand. Sometimes before we comment, let's also reason it very well before we actually drop those comments. You understand? So it's not just rushing to the comment section and then insult without people gaining anything from you. Let's learn how to decide from insults. It will be fair if we can be able to learn from each other. Teach me the one I don't know, I teach you the ones you don't know. That is how it works. Stop defending what they did not ask you to defend, so you not end up disgracing that thing. So that is just it. So as you can see in my video, we are fastly approaching the particular spot where the repairing is happening, and this is the looks of the this environment, and you'll be seeing the whole thing very soon. Over there is the leg over that is will be used a pedestrian bridge using crossing the road to Lagos Park. But one funny thing about all these things, me and bad example, people don't actually make use of that pedestrian bridge. It's only few people around. I think our people should start learning how to use pedestrian bridge. Let's stop doing all this rush. The thing that will take us time. I don't want to use pedestrian bridge. Let's stop it though, because it's for our own good. Let's learn how to use pedestrian bridge, and if government can actually look into it, let the pedestrian bridge also be constructed at various strategic points, so that people won't have to use the pedestrian bridge and walk miles down to where they are going. So this is the particular spot where the drainage repairing is happening. So as you can see there, those slabs were newly put there. So the construction has commenced. So very soon, the way I'm seeing it, the whole thing will be completed, and the flood can flow normal again. So as you can see that work has commenced, so they're actually doing it. Don't mind the environment of that drainage system. Mostly everywhere within this area or its environment, the drainage system looks very dirty. It's not clean at all. So for those, I have made this comment initially. Those said cover drainage system, cover drainage system. It's a gradual process. I believe one day somebody who will do the covering will also come. So let's just be hoping. So this is the latest update concerning the drainage system. You can see where they currently are. This is the level of work that is that has been done here. So this is all I have for you guys, and other things will also been put in place when the right time comes. So there's nothing more to say. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and when you are commenting, please desist from insult. Comment politely. Let's learn from each other. It is necessary. So do your contribution. Somebody out there may learn from what you comment. Me, I can also learn from yours. So, and that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. So we meet again in our another update. Bye. Peace out.